Hello friends, welcome to Ripple's Nature Inspired Aquarium. I have been making videos on many topics around aquascaping, and I have received requests on how do you control snails. Snails অ্যাকোয়ারিয়ামে কি করে কন্ট্রোল করা যায় এর উপরে ভিডিও বানানোর অনেকগুলো রিকোয়েস্ট আমাদের কাছে এসেছে, and এই ভিডিওতে we are trying to explain how you can control snails in a planted tank. One thing that needs to be kept in mind is that the snails actually play a very vital role in an ecosystem. Okay, what do they do? Snails are কাজ কি? They actually eat rotting leaf litter, anything which is rotting in an aquarium, in nature actually. But if they proliferate in an aquarium, যদি তারা খুব বেশি বেড়ে যায়, then it becomes a problem. Who wants to have a beautiful aquascape and have it completely filled with snakes? Nobody wants. So I'm going to talk about 3 techniques of how do you control snake. To do that, I requested an aquascapist friend of mine, Daniel. Okay, Daniel was having problems with snail in his aquarium. So now we are going to see those 3 techniques, which Daniel is going to adopt to control snails, and all of them are very natural. মানে আমরা কোনো harsh chemical বা কোনো drastic measure নেব না, to control snails in aquarium. So let's go ahead and see how Daniel is, controlling snails in his planted tank. So method 1 is to use a product like this ISTA snail trap. Okay. So এক নম্বর মেথড হচ্ছে এরকম একটা স্নেল ট্র্যাপ দিয়ে আমরা কি করে স্নেলস কন্ট্রোল করব। That's method 1.
So this is ISTA, as you can see. So it's a snail trap. So what do we have inside? So I think some food to attract the snails, some strings, and the snail trap. So basically you have to put the food inside this place and you have to close it like this. So if you see closely, there are holes over here. So these holes you have to attach this string and tie it up. So this string comes in handy in that place where you don't want to put your hand inside the water. You just have to pull this string out. So make sure that this string is hanging outside the aquarium, not inside. So I will fix this thing up. I'll tie it up and I'll set it up and I'll show you how it looks inside the aquarium. So my snail trap is ready. As you can see, I've used 2 top holes to tie the string. So after tying the string, I have some food which comes along with the snail trap. So this thing is very easy to assemble and easy to tie as well. So you just have to use the string and put it inside. So the food is ready, the trap is ready. Now we will leave this for overnight or for few hours and see if the snails are getting attracted. I am shooting this video in the morning, so I have waited for 1 complete night after putting the trap, the snail trap, and this is the result as you can see in the video. Already I think 4 to 5 snail which is attracted and they are inside the snail trap. So what you have to do simply pull out the string which is attached on the top of the snail trap and you can get rid of the snails. And you will have to do this process, I think 3 to 4 times to get rid of the snails, because in just one attempt I don't think all the snail will come inside the trap. So you will basically have to remove the food and put the fresh food inside and again put it back in the aquarium.
Method number 2, at a completely DIY method. It's a DIY method which I'm using for many years. It uses a glass bowl and a boiled leaf, like a cabbage leaf. একটা বাঁধাকপি বা একটা লেটুস পাতা বয়েল, সেটা দিয়ে আমরা কি করে স্নেল কন্ট্রোল করব? দ্যাটস মেথড।
This is my second technique of getting rid of the snails in my aquarium. This method has been taught to me by Gautam sir itself. So what I have done here is I have put a piece of half boiled cabbage inside a glass, and I will be leaving this for overnight, and I'm sure snails will get attracted and will go inside the glass, and then next morning, early morning, I will simply pull it out of my aquarium. This clip is again taken next morning. I had set this setup yesterday night and left it overnight for it to stay inside my aquarium. So what I have done here, again I'm explaining, half boiled cabbage inside a glass. So there are around 4 to 5 snails which is already attracted towards the food, and they are inside the glass. And now if I want to get rid of the snails, I can simply pull it out and get rid of it. This is a very eco-friendly and not at all pricey, because Easta snail trap cost around 395 to 400, and this setup, as you are seeing, everybody have vegetables at home, so you can simply take a leaf of cabbage and you can semi-boil it.
And finally, the method number 3. How do you use one snail to eat another snail? আমি refer করছি assassin snails. So how do you use assassin snail to control snails? That's our method number 3.
This is the final step or experiment which I am going to do to remove the snails from my aquarium. As you can see, I am still having some snails in my aquarium, and if you are wondering how am I getting it back to back even after doing 2 very good successful tricks to remove the snails, is because I am putting it back so to try the final trick, which is through assassin snails. Yes, so I am going to use the assassin snails. So I got, I think, 4 pieces, which I got it from Ripples itself. Gautam sir had suggested me if I don't want to use any trap or anything, and I'm a person, I like snails in my aquarium, but I don't want them to multiply so much that it looks ugly. So this snails looks very beautiful, and they don't multiply a lot, and whatever other snails which is there in my aquarium, I'm sure they will like get rid of them and let me quickly accumulate them. The assassin snail started hunting the moment it landed the ground. They started exploring the aquarium and they were eating the snails in hyper super speed. I didn't even had to wait for 5 minutes and they were already eating the snails. And this clip is after 2 to 3 hours. As you can see, all empty shells which is there, and this was the fastest process to get rid of the snails. I was not at all expecting, but this is the result.
So friends, you have now seen all these 3 methods. আপনারা এই 3টে মেথড দেখেছেন। 3টে মেথডেরই there are pros and cons. All these 3 methods have got certain pros and cons. But most importantly, none of them uses any harsh chemical. There are many products available in the market. Markete onek product paoya jay snail killer. How do you kill a snail? You will be using chemicals and more importantly copper. And if I use copper in an aquarium like this, it will not only kill snails, it will have an effect on the complete, microflora system. So I personally do not advocate using any chemicals like snail killer. আমি কখনো কোনো স্নেল কিলার ইউজ করার কথা ভাবি না, রিপলসে আমরা ইউজও করি না। ওকে, নো কেমিক্যালস। ডু রিমেম্বার ওয়ান থিং, দ্যাট স্নেল ইজ অলসো আ গডস ক্রিয়েশন। স্নেলকেও ভগবান বানিয়েছে, তার একটা রোল আছে। ইন অ্যাকোয়ারিয়াম অলসো, the snail actually eats the rotten vegetables, rotting leaf material. Problem is that if it becomes too much, then it starts causing problem. You should not have too much of snails. So how does snail come in an aquarium at the first place? Snail aquarium e ashe ki? Mostly snail ashe with the plants that we purchase. আমরা যে গাছ কিনি for our aquarium, mostly snail ওই plants এর সাথে আসে, because these plants are grown in chobachas or open water lands, okay, reservoirs, and mostly they get infested with snail, and then the snail eggs comes along with the plants. Yes, we can use potassium permanganate to disinfect the plants before we put them in aquarium, but tao snail chole ashe even after doing all that. So one thing that you can try as a hobbyist is to use tissue culture plants which are now available in the market. There are many varieties of tissue culture plant, okay, you can choose any of them, and mostly they are completely snail free. So if you use tissue culture plants, most likely you will not have snails in your aquarium, okay. And by chance if you get them, jodi kono bhabe chole ashe, then you can use these 3 methods to control snails. So that's all for this video. I hope that you liked the video. আপনাদের হয়তো ভালো লেগেছে। যদি ভালো লাগে, please do remember to subscribe to our channel Ripple's Nature Inspired Aquarium. That would mean a lot to us. Thank you.